another week, another feeding mission na naman tayo ni Little Plate at sinundo ko ang dalawang kumate ng birthday party. Si Tinkerbell. Hello, Tinkerbell.
I'm a fairy.
I'm a fairy and I'm the paragon mother.
She's a good fairy.
So, meron tayong 400 pieces of McDonald's.
Sun is shining, hear the laughter, tiny footsteps running faster, hands together, hearts so wide. Today we share, today we smile. From every street, from every place, different stories, same bright face. A little meal, a little care, love is something we all share. When we gather side by side, hope is served, no one denies.
Papasalamatan ko muna ang aming mga sponsors ngayong gabi. Gia and the Tita Ray. Si Ray, ayan. From California po sila. So sila po ang sponsor natin ng 400 McDo meal para sa mga bata. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin sila, guys. Thank you so much sa mga friendship natin sa California. Sa next balik.
Joy and happy cheers, warm embraces, no more fears. Sharing dreams with every bite, turning hunger into light. Simple things but big inside, a table where we all belong. When we give with open hearts, we're teaching love, we're making strong. Every child deserves to see a world that cares, a world that's free. Little plates, alone today. Small acts shine for a while, but love is here to stay. From our hands to every soul, we believe, we care, we grow. Little place, big, big smile. Together love is always whole. Little meals, big, big hearts. That's how every change can start.
Makajosa ka naman ang ini-expect ko ang tatayo si Consi Aiko.